As the question says, a uniform meter stick of mass 200 grams is suspended from the ceiling through two vertical strings of equal lengths fixed at the ends. A small object of mass 20 grams is placed on the stick at a distance of 70 centimeters from the left end. Find the tensions in the two strings. Now let this to be the ceiling and this be the meter stick on which these are the strings with which it has been tied. This being the center, and at 70 distance we have tied a small mass m. Now let the mass of this rod or the stick be m1 and this particle be m2. Now if we have this tension as T1 and this as T2, then let us balance the torques about the line passing through this, where this mass is actually hanging. Why we are taking this axis is so that the torque due to the tension in this, with which we have tied this, becomes zero. Otherwise, in case if you take about center of mass, there will be one torque about a T3, which we will be calculating, but we don't need that actually. So why to increase one more variable and solve for one extra variable? So we are taking this axis only. Proceeding with that, we can write it as T1 into R1, because T1 will be like this and R is this, so it will be actually rotating it in clockwise direction, minus T2 into R2. This is T2 and this is R2, and this will be actually rotating it in anti-clockwise direction, right? Minus M1G into R3 equal to 0. What we have done is we have just balanced the torque about these, right? So we can write it as T1 into 0.7 minus T2 into 0.3 minus 2 into 0.2 into G equal to 0, giving us 7T1 minus 3T2 equal to 3.92, marking it as equation number 1. Now since this is also in vertical equilibrium, we can frame the equation as T1 plus T2 equals to M1 plus M2 into G. So from this we get T1 plus 3T2 equal to 6.468, and marking it as equation number 2, let us add the first and the second equation so as to get tension 1 equal to 1.04 newtons, and putting that into any of the two equations we get tension 2 equals to 1.18 newton, that is approximately 1.12 newtons.